If you end up in intensive care with COVID, you have a 1 in 4 chance of a life-threatening blood clot. 1 in 4. So your risk of COVID is still the biggest risk. So that's why the vaccination program should continue and continue at pace. And the best way of protecting yourself from COVID is the COVID vaccination. If you're under 30, we're going to protect you from COVID, but we're going to give you the Pfizer or the Moderna vaccine. That's the only thing that's changed today. Everybody else, the risk-benefit balance is still heavily in favour of giving you the AstraZeneca vaccine. We divide the world into decades in clinical medicine because it's just a neat way of deciding how things work. So you have to have the cutoff somewhere rather than 28 and a half. So you have to choose decades. So the regulators, the scientists looked really, really carefully, and at under 30, the risk-benefit balance just moves enough for them to say, because we've got an alternative, we should use the alternative. In countries where there is no alternative, they would have said, keep going with the COVID vaccination. So we have an alternative, and they're suggesting we use it for that age group. There isn't a magic number. Your risk doesn't go away. All of COVID has been about risk and benefit. And the most important thing is to try and protect yourself from COVID. And that's why I'll be going on Friday for my vaccine. I don't care which one I get. And that's the advice I would give to everybody else.